What's up guys, this is Chaniam. Alright, let's check out this P30 Pro. Let's see how it says. After replacing the screen, it won't start up. It's possible when replacing the screen, the motherboard fell off on the ground. So first thing we need to check is the current. Power on. When we power on, it's current moved a little, and we can see electricity leakage. So when replacing its shocked inductor, let's press the startup key. Alright, the current shows that output buck is wrong, and also with the electricity leakage. So we just think the most possible is because shorted and broke the PMU. It's not good too. Okay, the first repair is wait they check out the resistance, but he just looked into the wrong way. Okay, now just remove the VDD main. When separating, you have to be careful to make sure the temperature is high enough. And now it's preheating, it's going to take a while. Just trying to find my knife here. Okay, no hurry. Have to make sure there's no balls missing and no disformation. So to do so, you need high temperature. The temperature is not enough. It's not high enough. Do not push. Otherwise, even if you put it away, it's going to be harder to put it back. Just take slow. For faulties like this, if you watch our videos a lot, you can see a similar case. There's another case that causing this VDD main is shocked and causing no touch. Alright, let's lower the temperature, cool it off. Okay, no missing balls, no deformation. Let's power on. Let's just put on the second end to the little leakage like before. Cool it off. Alright, let's lower the temperature. Let's check again. It's more obvious like before. So the temperature is high, its PMUs won't work. They will shut off the input and output. Let's remove the VDD main and load the temperature and check again. You have to check thoroughly to make sure you're not making any mistakes. This is also saving your time. So it's when you're replacing the screen or whatever, you have to make sure it's not powered. If you damage the CPU, that's more serious. Have to pay close attention. Unlike previously, so this is charging the capacitors, and we move it while it goes off. So this is not electricity leakage. If you don't have the basic knowledge, you don't know how to fix a cell phone. It's just won't do you or the cell phone any good. Have to make sure you know what the problem is, then you can start your handworks. Alright, let's put on the new VDD main. You don't even need to put layers back, it can start up. Let's cool it off again. Alright, let's power on. Start up, done. So it's quite simple and actually. So this is just like what we thought. Alright, thanks guys, bye.